faces cash crush, paid just 50% salaries to its employees. Unbelievable but true. Richest temple in the world, Tirumala, the abode of Lord Balaji's Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam too is facing cash crush due to 60-day-long nationwide lockdown. As a result, it had suffered a whopping rupees 400 crore loss according to its chairman Y.V. Subba Reddy. He admitted that like others in the rest of the world, TTD too is facing financial problems to pay salaries of employees due to lockdown. It has already spent rupees 300 crores towards salaries, pensions and other recurring expenses. He also admitted that only 50% of the salaries were paid for April month and hoped they will cope up with crisis to meet May month salaries too. He said the average monthly revenue of TTD stood around 200 to 220 crore and there is no revenue ever since the lockdown was declared. However, we are confident to overcome the crisis, Y.V. Subba Reddy told Orange News 9 TV when contacted over phone. He said he has already written to the centre to permit for opening of the temple as TTD cannot keep thousands of devotees from having darshan of their beloved Lord Srinivasa. On average, around 60 to 80,000 people visit the temple daily and during festive days it crosses little over a lakh. The TTD has an annual expenditure of Rs 2,500 crore. But many express surprise. How can Lord Balaji go cashless? It has Rs 14,000 crores worth of deposits and their interest alone can suffice to meet the crisis. A former EO feels such false alarms reprehensible as it creates doubts among millions of Hindus. He said the temple has reserved funds to withstand any crisis and temporary liquidation of funds shall not cause no dent whatsoever as COVID-19 is not going to stay forever and thousands of devotees are bound to throng the temple once opened. In spite of lockdown, the TTD did not stop its daily rituals to presiding deity with limited number of priests, said the chief priest of the temple, Dr. Ramana Dikshitlu. Unfortunately, the TTD was always in news ever since Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy took over the reins in the state for some controversy or the other. It all began with advertisement promo on bus tickets to the government order that no Hindus can serve in TTD, which however reportedly cost a chief secretary his job. Ever since he issued such an order and made no bones that those who have no faith in Lord Balaji cannot continue in TTD services, strained his relationship with the chief minister, who is accused by the opposition Telugu Desam of violating the environs in the ancient Hindu temple, which follows Agama Shastras by letter and spirit. Incidentally, even when Y.V. Subba Reddy, a close relative of the chief minister, was appointed as its chairman, the TDP kicked up a row. How can a person of different religions, faith, head TTD? But Subba Reddy is a devotee of Lord Balaji and those who know him well vouch that his house too gives a temple-like environs with huge idol of Lord Balaji. Meanwhile, the temple is said to be open today on trial basis as TTD got nod from the centre and state governments to do so. In fact, the TTD has dashed off a letter to the centre for needed permission to reopen the temple for public. Unlike in the past, we wish to restrict darshan to only limited devotees, maybe 10 to 15,000, the TTD chairman made it clear. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.